Hi, I'm Dave with LED Lighting Supply. In this video, we're going to be unboxing the HB4 UFO LED high bay. Alright, so this is the HB4, and it's really the most versatile fixture that we have in the UFO style. And what I'll say is that we have the optics are adjustable, and then the wattage and the color is also adjustable. You can adjust the color and the wattage there, and then these little screws here, you can actually loosen up, change your optics from a narrow to a wider beam angle, and that's great during the installation process. If you think you need, if you're mounting at higher heights than anticipated, you can go narrow instead of wide. Also, motion sensor can be bought separately and installed in the center here. Standard mounting is going to be the eye hook. We do also offer a pendant mount bracket as well. Wattages, it's 120, 160, 200 watt. And that's producing between 18,000 and 30,000 lumens. Typically we're mounting these at between 18 to 35 feet. Great for indoor sports facilities, warehouses. We've used these on factory floors as well. It's a 400 watt metal halide replacement. Additionally, this is DLC eligible, so if you have rebates you want to apply for, you can use this fixture. IP65 rated, so you're good to wash it down as well. If you are interested in this unit, contact one of our lighting specialists and they can get you a quote or a lighting plan if needed as well.